What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are located at King VW of Gaithersburg because guess what we are reviewing today? A 2021 VW ID4. And guys, before we start the video, please go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, and if you don't like the video you can dislike, but I mean it's gonna be a super good video because it's a super good car. And yeah, write a comment if you guys like the car or not and what car I should review. So let's start off. This is the first 100% electric car that Volkswagen has made. And when we walk up, there's a really nice white and black logo, VW logo. This is actually a LED light. It's like the headlight. This part comes all the way to the left one. I like how it's like diamond, like jewels in there. See the headlight? And then we drop down over here. We have a sensor. Over here we have another sensor. And more of that jewel design down here, like diamond jewels down there. And then as we move on to the side of the car, we have a nice mirrors over here. LED, again, turn signal, it's integrated into right there. And this is the first edition. This is not the first one in the whole world, but first edition is basically like, I think they made a couple hundred. And then there's like features that the first edition has, but and then when they start making more, it won't be a first edition anymore. We have nice 20-inch wheels with more of that white and black logo, a VW logo. And then as we move on over here, this door handle, look, let me show you guys the key because it's a really nice key. It's not a cheap plastic key, it's actually a pretty good key. See over here you have panic button, lock, and then open the trunk. And then over here, we have the unlock button. So first and on the back, we also have a VW logo. It's really shiny. Let's press lock. The mirrors fold. And when we walk up, the door handle doesn't go up. It's like this. It's like a latch under there. You push, you open it like this. The mirrors opened. Press it in. The mirrors fold. We have a really nice, it's like a Volkswagen sticker right there. I like how the roof is black, see? And it's a panoramic sunroof, which is nice. Nice low roof spoiler as we move to the back. And as we move, we have some nice headlights. What am I saying headlights? These are taillights. I like the black accent over here. That comes all the way, see? Nice black and white VW logo. ID4, that's the name of this car. ID, and then there's like a dot right there. And then we're located at King Gaithersburg. Thanks for them to letting us review this car. See, we have the shark fin antenna up there. And then we can open the truck. And this, with the shape of the car, it's a competitor to the RAV4, and it's a competitor to the RAV4, Toyota RAV4. But it's with the electric motor, it's a competitor with the Tesla Model Y. I'll be comparing it a lot in this video. So look, one thing is that the range on this car is 250 miles. The range on a Tesla, 300 miles. That's a little bit of the big difference between this and the Tesla Model Y. It's not the competitor to the Tesla Model X, it's the competitor to the Tesla Model Y. And the bad thing is you can't get an option with the third row, but the Tesla Model Y you can. See, Volkswagen cargo protection system, storage, open it, more storage, and then open that, more storage. So we have lots of storage, more pockets over there. And then this is like, it's so you don't want people to see what you have in the trunk. Let's press the button. Backup camera, hello. All right, now let's go and see what we have under the front. This is how you open this, just like a regular, how you would open a hood. First edition. Let me put you guys over here because, oh wait, I can't, it's really heavy. Let me just put you guys over here. Let's see, you can look at just look at the sky. There's no sun. Okay. Okay, this is better. The bad thing is there's not hydraulic hood strut, so you have to put this thing over here. And then So guys, under the frunk we have, it's a this is the electric motor over here, see? And it's not like a Tesla. The Teslas, it's under the car, but this one, when you open it, it's not a storage. That's the bad thing. I mean, you guys saw in the back, you could open like 3 secret hatches and everything. 0 to 60 on this car, it's 7.5 seconds. On the Tesla, it's 5.3, but not on the performance, the base Tesla, 5.3 Model Y. And guys, it's pumping out 200 horsepower, but this is the rear wheel drive. A little bit later, there's gonna be an all-wheel drive feature, all-wheel drive model, which is gonna have 300 horsepower, which that's gonna be probably a better one because it's gonna be all-wheel drive, 300 horsepower. It's more reasonable to get that than a rear-wheel drive and 200 horsepower. Let's close this. The interior is probably the best part from this car. Okay, let's go to the interior. And before we go ahead and subscribe right now if you didn't subscribe in the beginning. Let's open up the door. Look at this. We have some nice material here. Door handle right there. And then over here, you have your window controls. And when you press rear, you control the rear windows. Because look, there's not 4 buttons over here, right? So this is for the... Oh, let me just start the car actually. Get in. Okay. Look, we're rolling down the windows, right? Now let's wait. When we press rear and it lights up like orange, now the back ones are. That's how cool. No other car does that, like electric cars. This is for the mirror controls. See? We folded it. Okay, and then the steering wheel is just really cool. Like, look, it's all white, and then we have like, it's almost like a polished aluminum material with some gloss black in the middle. First edition, more of the badging. And I like how it's like gloss black on the sides, and these, you don't push them in. They're like, it's like they're like little screens actually. These are the driving modes. See? No, not the driving mode. See, adaptive cruise control, and then we can also go to. See, adaptive cruise control. And this screen is just so small. I wish they would have made it a little bit bigger. This shows basically the speed you're going, and then it shows if you're in drive. And brake is just an electric cars. When you let go of the accelerator, the gas pedal, it will slow down. It won't brake. It will just slow down. And that's what brake is. But if you don't want that to happen, you just put it in D. So look, I'm pressing the brake. It's in drive. See, it shows D. You flip it up. Now it's in brake. To go into reverse, you just flip it down. Nice backup camera. It's a 12-inch screen, and it's a nice backup camera. It's pretty big. And then look, it shows the car. It's like a trajectory. Okay, let's move the steering wheel back. Let's put it back into park. Okay, we're okay. Okay, now it says goodbye because when you get out, look, when you open the door, it'll basically like stop the car. There's actually a start engine stop button right here. I don't know why you will need that. Okay, and then yeah, as I said, the steering wheel is just really nice. And then over here, even even the turn signals are like white. These things. We have all the light controls here, and the pedals. Why is the climate? Let's go to climate. It says climate actually. Yeah, look, on the first edition, the gas pedals, it's a start and stop. Really cool. Close our door. Oh. And just look at that ambient lighting, it's red. Look. See, you see that blue? This door. Okay, now this screen, the bad thing is it's just a little bit laggy. Look, when you do this, it's just laggy a little bit. See? Look, like when we're on the navigation. Look at this lag. Like you can look at the zoom out. Look how like it's super laggy. Let's go back over here. We have vehicle, telephone. Go over here. And then over here, it says since start how much it's driven. It's been driven. Settings. Let's go over here to the climate controls. We have heated steering wheel. Hey ID. When you say Hey ID, see, it brings up, it's basically the hands-free link. Hey ID. Look, I'm gonna say Hey ID, and then I'm gonna say house temperature outside. Hey ID. Hey ID. How's the weather outside?
Please repeat.
How's the weather outside?
You can operate the radio and media, navigation, telephone, and climate control.
Look, it says temperature. I'm cold.
You cannot adjust the sound.
Let's say I'm cold. Hey ID. I'm cold. And you see the lights that light up over there? You see? It's basically the way of the car, like talking to you. You see?
Sorry, it cannot get any warmer on the left front side.
See? It's on the hottest. Let's put it on cold, all the way cold. Look, these are not even buttons. Look, you literally slide your finger. And look, it's going down. Hey ID. I'm cold.
Okay, warming the left front side now.
Let's see if it warmed. What? It didn't do it. Alright, I'll just do it with my hand. Yeah, but the cool thing is, like, even like the volume,
The Marconi
you do it like this, see?
achievement.
You slide it. Or you can just tap.
The National Medal of
But slide is even better because it does it faster. Okay, and then over here we have the menu, Clima. Oh, parking. This is the camera. See? P menu. Assist. Look, when we go to assist, it shows which one you want. Look, if you press the car, that's the adaptive cruise control. If you press that, that's the front assist, so the braking. And if you press this car, it's the lane change system. See? We have ID4 right there. Speed limit is 30. Let's go back. And then we also have mode. Eco, comfort, sport, custom. Let's do custom. Suspension, sport, steering, sport, drivetrain, sport, ACC, sport, it's already on sport. And then light assist, sport, climate control, comfort, and then the reset, I think. Oh no, not reset. And then we're good. Custom is, I just put it on the most, the sportiest one. And then over here, it's just a little bit of cheap plastic over here. But it's good. I mean, it's gloss black. Cup holder. You can take these off. It's a wireless charger for you, see? So if you take this off, wireless charger. Put it back. Like so. And then over here, you have two USB Type-Cs. The bad thing is there's no, it's only Type-Cs in the car. There's also Type-Cs in the back. There's a wireless charger over here too. And then over here, oh, this was the cup holder. And then over here, you can just close it like this. Over here, you have the glove box. Pretty decent storage in there. The floor mats say ID4. And let's actually go to the back. Let's see. Okay. Let's close the door. And you see on the, over here, it's red, but over there was blue, the lighting. Okay, sit back here. I like the material over here. Okay, this is cool. It's so comfortable back here. The seats are so nice too. Leather seats, armrest over here, two cup holders. I don't know what you can put there. You can write in the comments what we can put there. And then this will come forward. And so you can like put stuff back here from here. Close it like so. Okay. And then over here, more Type-Cs, as I said. You can't get like a regular USB. And it's climate controls, but you can't control it from the front, from the back. And it's really comfortable. I could sit here. And then over here you have, look, it's a pocket up here if you want to put something small. Another pocket down here. How cool is that? 2 pockets. Okay, now let's go out. Oh. So guys, that's gonna be all for this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new. Smash that like button and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss another one of my videos.